Welcome to Real Life Investing today. This is Al getting in contact with you guys. Going to talk to you a little bit today about some quant. All right. So let's just go ahead and start moving into everything. We know that we got the Bitcoin price here is going to be 105,000. Ethereum's at 2,400. Let's see if we can find some other good material. Cardano, we don't talk about that much, but it's below 60 cents. So if you just want to accumulate that, just like a savings account, that might be some good stuff. But remember, nothing we say here on the channel is financial advice, right? But if you like what you see today, we just ask you to like and subscribe to us. We are growing and we want you to grow with us. We really appreciate you guys. Now, let's keep it moving a little bit. One other one here was a crypto.com. Yeah, Kronos. I wanted you guys to notice that as well. Notice right here, it is below 9 cents. So that is really good for right now. Sometimes when you have these unfortunate incidents, we have to take advantage of these things. But nevertheless, just keep the ball rolling. Now, Bitcoin dominance, we're going to be looking at that. That's going to be at 64%. Ethereum's at 9.0. Let's see, what was that? Fear and greed. Fear and greed, we're already in a neutral. Amazing. So things are going to be looking up just in a little while. Now, let's get to the price of Quant here. Notice that Quant is at what, $99. I'm looking at this weird beam on the side, but my bad. So notice that Quant is at $99. It's already approaching 100. Quant doesn't stay down long, guys. Definitely a winner with Quant. We already know how great Quant is as far as the scarcity. For those of you who don't know, Quant has what, circulating supply of only about 12 million. There's not a whole lot of it out there. So whatever is going to be used, once it really starts getting in demand, which will be the next few months, days, etc., it's going to be in demand. So we know what happens with scarce things that are in demand. If you don't know what happens, you hang around, you'll see what happens. Now, anyways, notice right here that according to what's this, CoinMarketCap, Quant has over 200,000 followers. Just a heads up on that, with the community sentiment at 84%. That's pretty good, actually. Let's keep it moving on. Now, got some big news, or news that maybe some of you guys already know. They posted this a little bit less than 24 hours ago. Let me just go ahead and see if I can blow this up on the screen. All right, let's see. Voted as Best Programmable Payments Platform, Future of Finance Award. So also, we know Quant's always winning something. So this thing is pretty awesome. And we see that it's continuing to do its job. Just awesomeness of Quant, if you know what I mean. So let's kind of keep it moving if we can. Move this out of the way. Work on my technical controls a little bit. Now, so we see that Quant's been doing its thing. We talked about a lot of things before with the money engine, etc. Quant Banks, let's go into this. Speaking of, let me get down to the nitty gritty. So we're talking about the Quant flow for banks, right? So new revenue streams coming. Monetize transactional fees. They're always about the money. Hey, who isn't? Let's just be honest about that. Stay ahead of the competition, how it works, right? So programmable money powers new customer products. This is a pretty important thing right here. How banks are generating return on investment with innovative customer use cases. So we got the smart money accounts. So in this case, we also have the liquidity management, actively and automatically manage liquidity with programmable money, which is what we're talking about. And you got your tax optimization, offer programmable tax automation at the account level for a seamless, hassle-free way to manage taxes. Well. Everybody wants to be, how can I say, friends with a tax guy. We don't want to take the tax man mad. So that's always a great idea to keep tax people friendly there. Let's see, what else did we say over here? Enhanced retail business and corporate bank accounts with customized logic. Beautiful. Okay, doing good stuff. So let's go to some other information here. A nice little article that I found speaking on the award-winning Quant. So this is a recent article from yesterday, very late, but it's still from yesterday. Quant is talking about how it's edging higher so far. Optimism surrounding Quant grows in the derivatives market, evident with the Quant open interest spike. Of course, people are interested in Quant. That's kind of like a no-brainer, isn't it? The technical outlook suggests a bullish reversal possibility. Of course, there's a bullish reversal possibility now that we hopefully, God willing, are not going to be shooting at each other. So that's going to be a good thing. Remember, nothing we say is financial advice. But let's keep it moving up. Quant's optimism shoots up. Of course, it's already shooting up. We already know that Quant is doing well. So since Quant won the award for the best programmable payment platform, yep, we talked about that already. But this is the thing. We got to remember that, let me read this real quick. We're delighted to announce that Quant was voted the best programmable payment platform at the Future of Finance Awards last week in London. This recognition is a real testament to the work we put into building our industry-first platform that's redefining how money works. So these guys are on the move. So just saying, guys, trend reversal, of course, we're going to see a trend reversal. Things are going to be going very well. So just want to keep you guys informed concerning Quant. Like I said, 99.65 on my little chart right here so far. We know Quant's going to go right back over 100. There's a strong possibility that we're going to have some more positive momentum in the coming months. But I will say this much for sure. Those of us who know and are in the know we're holding on to Quant, and we're going to hold on to it as long as we can, because we know that Quant is definitely a winner, and winners don't stay down. Quant is definitely one of those positive guys, or my bad, girls, or let's call the crypto gender neutral. This is Al, Real Life Investing. Have a great day. Talk to you later. Bye.
Please share, like, comment, and subscribe to Real Life Investing. And thank you for watching.